Reddit traders caused a surge in certain stocks like GameStop, trying to stick it to Wall Street.
What you're seeing is essentially a pushback against the establishment.
And they say that the system has been rigged all along.
While it seems like the impact was fleeting, it's still unclear what the long-term implications of this new trend of viral trading will be. One direction it could go is a newfound focus from individual investors in the political or moral leanings of the companies where they shop or invest.
Corporations really up until now have not been held accountable for their effect on or participation in politics.
Abigail Wiest created an app that allows you to track the political giving of household brands, from Walmart to AT&T.
Yeah, interest in our app and website have really spiked in January by about 300%. And we think that it has to do primarily with all of the energy around the last presidential election, and also the January 6th Capitol riots. After that, a lot of major corporations have made a pledge to abstain from contributing money to certain PACs and political candidates. It has brought corporate money and politics to the forefront kind of news in people's mind.
The average consumer, according to Wiest's app, funds politicians and political action committees about 3 times more through product and service choices than through direct political contributions. And you may be surprised, they say, that many of the brands you rely on are heavily invested in causes and politicians you may disagree with.
A lot of money from the Publix Corporation has gone to Donald Trump. And, people who shop at Publix should know that, because they should know if they agree with that, that's fine. But if you don't agree with that, then you need to make more informed purchasing decisions.
Investing in your politics isn't completely new. ESG investing, picking companies based on their environmental, social, and governance practices, has been gaining steam for years.
We wanted to give people the opportunity to own companies in the S&P 500 that match their political philosophy, hence DEMS, DEMZ.
Meet Jason Britton, founder of a new investment fund that picks companies that give mostly to Democrats.
It was designed to look and feel like the S&P 500. It's traded directly in line with expectations. The thinking for us is that corporations that are thoughtful around these practices and policies and supporting these campaigns are embedding that kind of management practice in their business.
Republicans are also creating a space for political purchasing. A new GOP-oriented fund also launched in 2020 called the American Conservative Values Fund says its mission is investing in companies meeting a politically conservative criteria. Another, which trades under the symbol MAGA and launched shortly after former President Trump took office, has significantly underperformed the broader market. But interestingly, it's outperformed since Trump's election loss. So what does this all lead to? Is it a fad or a trend that's here to stay?
We've had companies complain to us about their scores and explain to us that it's affecting sales or it's affecting their call centers. And what we tell them is that we hope that's true.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.